Family, what is up? Welcome to another episode of Talking with Antonio. So in today's episode, we will be discussing how to reach 4,000 watch hours fast in 2021, because I know you guys need those watch hours to get monetized. So I want to give you guys the secret sauce to help you reach your watch time as fast as possible. Now, I do want to let you guys know I am offering a one-on-one YouTube masterclass. So if you want to work one-on-one with me, I would love to help you out. I go over SEO, how to title, thumbnails, all that fun stuff, and really have a hands-on approach with your channel. So again, if you want to sign up, make sure you hit the link in the description below. But if you're excited, go ahead and thumbs up the video. I would greatly appreciate it for the YouTube guides and algorithm. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Now, the first tip that I want to give you is that you definitely need to have your niche down pat. I'm talking on lock. You feel me? I'm talking the fat dude guarding the last donut on lock, okay? Because why this is so important is because, especially when you're small, people get really confused when you have so many different topics, okay? If you're talking about fitness here, and then you're talking about gardening here, and then you do makeup, like that is too much for a lot of people. They may watch one of your videos and then that's it. So when you have your niche down pat, it's more likely that people will subscribe and watch more of your videos, especially if they're all in the same vein. So you want to make sure that your niche is down pat. You know your target audience, right? You know how to serve them. You know what type of content that they want, so they stay and watch through the full video. Now, with you having your niche on lock, you definitely want to make sure when you are creating your content that you have those first 30 seconds. That hook is so important, you guys. If you don't have that 30-second hook in the beginning of your videos, people are more than likely not going to watch. If you have a lower than 70%, 60%, 50%, viewer rate after, those first 30 seconds, you definitely want to work on your hook, because after those first 30 seconds, if you can get people past those 30 seconds, they're more likely to watch the full video. I don't know why that is. That's just consumer behavior. So those first 30 seconds are so important, you guys. And that's why having your niche on lock is important, because you know what people want to see in those first 30 seconds. So the second tip that I want to give you is that you want to be making searchable content, you guys. And why this is so important is because when you're a small creator, more than likely you're not going to have a lot of suggested videos or be in the browse feature. Search is probably going to be your easiest way to start driving traffic to your channel. So whatever your niche is, you want to make sure that you are creating searchable content. Even if you are making blogs, you need to center those blogs around some type of topic that is searchable. Okay, because if not, it's going to take a very, very long time to get that watch time, because you aren't getting the views. You're not even getting people to click on your video or find your video to get the watch time. So, watch time is kind of like the end of the process, right? But you definitely want to be creating searchable content so you can get views, so people can watch your full videos. So searchable content is definitely the wave. The third tip that I want to give you is that you want to be making bingeable content. So if you can create some type of series, think about your favorite television series, right? You're more willing to watch 1, 2, 3, 4 videos if it's a series. So creating some series around your channel would definitely help you increase your watch time. Okay, so like for me, I create videos on YouTube advice, and I talk about clothing and entrepreneurship, but I created a series around starting a clothing brand. So if you're interested in starting a clothing brand, I'll link it up here. But you have my first video, I'll talk about how to start the clothing brand, then I talk about how to get markups for the clothing brand, then I talk about how to market your clothing brand. So if you're interested in clothing brand, that's now 3 to 4 videos that you can watch, all centered around, right, starting a clothing brand. So you want to take, a topic and create a series that is bingeable so you can increase your watch time. So the fourth tip that I want to give you is creating longer form content. So if you're able to create longer form content and keep your target audience engaged, definitely do so. So live streams are really, really good. or if you want to have some type of interview, right? Those type of longer form content pieces definitely drastically increase your watch time, because you got to think, if you create a video that's 30 minutes to an hour, right? You know, if you can get 1,000 people to watch 50% of that, that's a lot of watch time. Okay. So, you know, trying to incorporate longer form content into your content strategy can definitely help you increase your watch time really, really fast. And again, using live streams or interviews, or just even like 15 to 20 minute videos that are really, really engaging, can definitely move the needle tremendously when it comes to increasing your watch time faster. So the final tip that I have for you guys to increase your watch time is definitely by using playlists and end cards. Okay, you know, I'm gonna talk about playlists first. So if you already have that binge-worthy content and series pretty much already created, you definitely want to put it in a playlist, so people don't have to worry about it. They don't have to search for the content. You already have it on your homepage, or you have it somewhere to where they can just click it, or they have it, you know, you can just click it on the playlist section. But having that playlist already up just makes it so much easier for people to binge watch your content. And then, as well as using end cards and cards in your videos, I use cards just to remind people of videos that I've created. So if you're watching a video of mine and I say, hey, I created a video similar to this, now you already have it subconsciously in your head, like, hey, maybe I need to check out this video. And then again, when you have those cards at the end of your video, it's pretty much telling them, hey, you know, check out this video here, because if you like this video, you'll like this video. And that keeps people on your YouTube channel. Thus, the longer you can keep people on your YouTube channel, YouTube will start to push your content more and more and more. So the more views and subscribers you get, the more watch time you get. So you see how it's just a trickle snowball effect. So you definitely want to make sure that you're using playlists, end cards, and cards as much as possible, as well as using all the other strategies, because they all work hand in hand. Okay. So hopefully you know everything now that you need to increase that watch time, so you can hit that 4,000 watch hours, so you can finally ball out in the mall with your YouTube paycheck, which is what I want for you. So if you liked the video, again, thumbs it up. I would greatly appreciate it. You know, it just helps share this information to other people. And again, if you do want to sign up for my one-on-one YouTube masterclass, I would love to work with you. All you have to do is hit the link down below so we can work one-on-one, so I can help you with your channel. But again, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be easy.